Hello students, welcome back to my biology online classes. Today I am going to discuss with you about identification of Ascaris lumbricoides for your upcoming parasitology practical exam of SEM 4 under CCF of University of Calcutta. Ascaris lumbricoides, the common roundworm. Disease created by Ascaris lumbricoides is Ascariasis and Ascaris pneumonia, which is also called Loeffler syndrome. Both Ascariasis and Ascaris pneumonia infection is found in man, and in case of Ascaris pneumonia, larva found in the lungs. Larva of Ascaris lumbricoides found in lung of man. Now come to systematic position of Ascaris lumbricoides according to classification scheme of Rupert and Barnes 1994. Totally they have classified these roundworms as the Ascalminthes, phylum Nematoda, class Phasmida, genus Ascaris and species Ascaris lumbricoides. Host is human, and human is definitive and only host of Ascaris lumbricoides. To be identified, adult worm, both male and female, egg and rhabditiform larva. This rhabditiform larva is not required for your practical exam, both for exam copy preparation as well as in your practical exam also. I have included this rhabditiform larva here for total completion of identification of this Ascaris lumbricoides stages. Okay. This is diagram of male and female adult worm of Ascaris lumbricoides. Draw this in your practical copy with proper labeling. Now come to identifying characters of adult worm. These identifying characters, these are common both of male and female Ascaris. Okay. If you found adult worm male, then first mention all of these characters, then you can mention the sexual dimorphism character between male and female. So, identifying characters of adult worm of Ascaris lumbricoides. Unsegmented body or superficially segmented. Body narrow, long, round and bilaterally symmetrical. Surface covered with a thick layer of cuticle. Mouth guarded by 3 lips. Then extension, point mentions as 5A. Description of these lips: 1 dorsomedian and 2 ventrolateral lips are present. Presence of terminal mouth and posterior subterminal anus. Body elongated, cylindrical, yellowish brown in color. 4 longitudinal streaks present on the body. The dorsal and ventral streaks narrow and the 2 laterals thicker. Now come to specific character of male Ascaris. 15 to 30 centimeter long body. 1A, mention it as point number 2. Body is shorter than female. Presence of cloaca. Anus and genital aperture open within cloaca. Tail pointed and curved. A pair of needle-like chitinoid pineal setae originates from cloaca. On the ventral side of cloaca, there are 5 pairs of preanal papillae and 5 pairs of post-anal papillae present. Now come to identifying characters of female Ascaris. 20 to 80 centimeter long body. Body is longer than male. Cloaca absent, a negative character. Try to avoid this character while mentioning as identifying features. Anal opening and female genital aperture are separate. Tail small, straight, blunt. Presence of valvar waist. Gonopore on the ventral surface of the valvar waist where vulva opens. At the junction of the anterior and the middle thirds of the body on the mid-ventral aspect. This section of worm is narrower. So, this is all about adult worm characters and male and female characters of Ascaris lumbricoides.